Things to know about London's tube as a first timer. I visited London for the first time and I used their tube, which we refer to it as the subway or metro. And these are the things I learned about it after using it for 8 days. The tube is their main form of transportation to move around London, and I used it daily to get around central London. And here are 5 things to keep in mind. Number one, there are big gaps between the platform and the subway's door, which is why you will always hear doors opening, mind the gap. Yes, it's a big gap in some platforms, so watch out for this. Number two, move to the side as the tube arrives so people can get out first. Otherwise, if you try to get in before people get out, you will be shoved and pushed and most likely told something unpleasant. Number three, you don't need to buy the Oyster card to use the tube. You can use a Payless credit card. Most cards have the chip and are Payless, but double check with your credit card provider. Also, you can use your iPhone Payless feature where you double click on the side. Please note that whatever credit card you use to get in, you will need to use that same card when exiting. In other words, if you use let's say a Chase card, then you need to use that same card to exit. Don't use another card like American Express card because that's different and the system may end up charging you an extra fee. Number four, taking the express train from Heathrow Airport to central London, it costs £25, which is around $33. That's expensive, especially since it's a one-way trip. But there is another train that you can take, and that's the Piccadilly Circus line, which is £6, less than $8. The Piccadilly will take about 45 minutes, where the Express takes about 20 minutes, but if you're on a budget, the Piccadilly line is your best bet. Number five, it's London, so you think the tube works until the wee hours, but they don't. They stop running at 12:30 in the morning. Keep that in mind because if you do miss it, you will need to take an Uber, and the cost of an Uber goes up after 10 p.m. We took an Uber from central London to Vauxhall and it was $50, so keep this in mind. I hope this video was useful to you. Please like and subscribe and let me know if you have any comments.